I like to remove my cover off the reservoir so I can wash the fluid. Driver side. Come to the rear. This is the ES350. .21mm removes your lug nuts. Take off your tire. Put your car in the air. Put a jack stand. Alright, then you have two number 14s on your caliper. One here, one down there. That'll remove your caliper. Basically, I just put my ratchet on there. Put your ratchet on there. Break them both loose. Same thing for the bottom. Put your socket on there. Break it loose. Then I take my Milwaukee battery, remove them both. Take them out. And you can just hold your caliper from the rear, take it out, put that up there. You're going to need to compress that piston. I'll show you the setup. Move your old brake pads. Take note of your wear strip. You do have to install the wear strips on your new pads, so just note what side they're on. I put them both on the same side. Let's compress the piston. Alright, so I just use a C-clamp with an old brake pad. I basically just turn it. As you can see, piston starts to go in, so you can compress it all the way. Alright, like I said, you're going to have to install these on the new pads. Same side. You want this side to go inside, so it just clips on like that. As you can see, just push it on. Alright, new clips are installed. And you just put your pads in like that. Takes a little bit of work. You want to get the clip, the wear strip in first. And just push it in like that. So try to get the wear strip in first, and then you push it over that lip there. Just like that. Do the same thing on the inside. Alright, so some people replace these clips, but mine didn't come with the clips, so I just reused the old ones. They're not damaged. New pads are in. Piston's been compressed. Now you just want to push these in a little so they don't stop you when you go to install the caliper. So once you push them in, they'll be like that. Take your caliper, make sure your brake line's not kinked. Slide it on over your pads. Line them up with your holes. And reinstall your number 14. Start tightening by hand. Same thing with the bottom. Line it up, start tightening by hand. Now we're going to tighten all the way. Air ratchet. Same thing with the bottom. Then I like to go back with my other ratchet to make sure they're nice and tight. Alright, those 14s are nice and tight. Put back on your tire on this side. Repeat the same process on the other side. When you're done, come back to the front of your vehicle, cover back your reservoir, and pump your brake pedal before you move off. And that's the Lexus rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.